Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. So today I'll show you how you can hedge against the markets, which is basically betting against the market. So you want to make money when markets go down, or you're basically having a bet that markets are going to go down. So I'll show you how we do that in the chat room. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of stock trading, investing videos, and basically financial money management to invest for a long term. I'm not advanced. I'm not a financial advisor in any way. These are just my opinions. So right now, S&P 500, we see markets sold off right here today. Let's zoom in a little bit, and we can see that it just couldn't hold this area. It was about sideways. We got a run up from yesterday's, a little bit of a sell-off at the close, and markets went up and then just couldn't hold the 342 area. I got the sell alert on this one on my script, and it just markets got rejected by the VWAP area and just kept going down. So what do I see next on this one, and how are we looking to hedge in the markets? So looking at the 180-day chart or the 6-month chart on S&P 500, we can see that right here, we're at that 200 SMA area, and it's an upward trend still overall, but it's that downward curl is starting to form, and we got a pretty decent sell-off from the all-time highs at 358 area all the way down to about 330, and couldn't really break below 330 area and hold below, so it held above that 330 and came back up again, but I'm looking for another sell-off to come soon. So basically how we hedge against this one is usually with their ETFs, shorting SPY itself, or playing UVXY based on the volatility. So let's open up the chat room. This is free to join. I'll show you how to join in just a second. You can join with the link in the description or on the website. But basically last week we played UVXY and the week before, and we got a nice trade, about 50% from that one. So we started trading it around 19 area, 20 area, and we averaged down when it broke down to 19, and it went all the way up to about 32, which was more than 50% profit on the stock price itself. But if you played options, it could have been a lot more. But I do shares on this one just to protect myself from the downside and give myself that cushion that options do not have in just the calls and puts. So when we played that one, I'm playing it again because it dipped down again, markets jumped up, and then now UVXY sold off. So I started buying here, and I see a golden cross breakout coming, and whenever these alerts show up, it usually shows an upward trend or a upward that people are buying up and the volume is coming in, that it's looking for a breakout soon. So I'll show you why in just a second. So when we see that it's sold off to a 200 SMA area, we see the 22.5 support region. That's what I alerted in the chat room as well. That 22.5 area is where we're looking for it to hold around. And I called that out UVXY, the 24 support, and then I called out the 22.5 right here, looking for a bounce off 22.5, and that's exactly what happened yesterday. Right at this region, bounced off that region, and now we're looking for that 22.5, 22 support to hold and make another bounce to about 24, 25 or so. My averages on this one is 22.8. So right now, if it's sold off, it made a nice jump up today, all the way up to that 23.4. But I didn't take profits yet because I know that this can easily go up a lot more, and towards the end of the year, it can easily go up a lot more. So this is basically how we hedge against the market. This isn't a direct short like shorting SPY or shorting TQQQ. This is more of a volatility. So when markets are going up and down, fluctuating, where markets are pretty crazy, people are selling off fast, and then next day runs up, things like that. That's called volatility. That's what we're betting on with UVXY. So make sure you understand what the VIX is, because it can easily wipe you out if you don't understand. So make sure you understand that how it works, how volatility works in the market, that it's not a direct short, it's more of hedging against the markets and playing with the volatility. So next price moments on this one, let's look at the 30-day chart. We can see that we're seeing a nice MACD curl up. We saw it sold off all the way from 32. So we traded this last time from about 19, which is about here. And just in 4 or 5 days, it went all the way up to 32. So 50% profit on that. So that's why I'm only playing the small position right now, only about 20-30 30% position that I did initially with UVXY, because that was more of a big sell-off. Right now it's just hedging against the market, so selling off long-term positions and basically playing this and basically betting against the market and making some money when markets go down, or usually people sell or take a loss. So next price moments that I'm looking at on this one are going to be at 23. I want to see this 23 area hold. We have solid support at 22 at the 200 SMA. So next I'm looking for my initial profit target is going to be about 24, which is right here at the 50 SMA. So we see the blue line right here at 24, and then I'm going to look for 25 short term, but more midterm, which can be about a couple months, more towards end of the year. I'm looking for this to break over that 30 region again, and it can easily do that if markets sell off 5-10% on S&P 500, maybe more. This can easily double, but short term, looking for the 24 initial target, maybe 25, and let's see 30 again at the end of the year. So I'll keep this video quick and stop that over there. And once we go back to the SPY chart, let's look at the levels really quick. We're looking at that 335 region, and the 330 is the next support, and we have the resistance levels at 340, 343 right here, 342.5, 343. So resistance levels at 342.5, 340, and then we have support levels right here at 335 and 330. Anywhere in between, it's most likely just going to bounce up and down until it can confirm a breakout, which means it goes over that 340 at 342.5 and holds above. Or if it breaks the support right here at these levels, 335 and 330, and breaks below, we're going to see more of a sell-off. So it's important to watch those levels. The previous lows of this quick correction was 329.65. So if we break that and below, correction is going to continue. If not, it doesn't. That's basically how we play it out. We don't fight trends. We don't guess. We don't hope for things. We just play based on the facts and how the markets are moving, and you look at the key price levels, and we go from there, and we set our stop loss, risk management, all of that, which I do teach in the course. So head over to pinnacletrading.us, and you can join the chat room by clicking join now for free button right over here. That will take you over to this app right here. You can use it on your phone, on the website, computer, etc. We have all the live trade ideas. We have a chat room, and all of that going on in here. So trading, investing, we have the VIP access for the course members, which I'll talk about in a second. And if you want to enhance your education with the course, I do offer that, and you can see what the course offers right here in the course tab. You can click the course tab or click the button like I just showed you. This is everything that the course offers, everything from stock market education, trading and investing, and some of my secrets that I use in the stock market itself, investing for long-term trading. All of that is covered in one course. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I hope to see you in the chat room. We want to grow this community and help out each other, whether it's with trading, investing, or just talking in general. We want to get the community growing, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to share the video as well so that your friends and family can join. So hope you all have a good day, and hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.